Hello everyone, I'm Fatia. On this video, I would like to talk about a technology that I've chosen from the hype cycle 1995 and 2005, which is handwriting recognition. Let's begin with the definition of handwriting recognition. Handwriting recognition is a process of converting the analog form of handwriting into a digital character in the computer that could be used and edited. The handwriting could be in different forms and sorts, such as documents, photos, or from the touchscreen. The system of handwriting recognition processes this input into the ASCII character, which is readable by the computer system. This process could be performed by several methods, such as segmentation of each character or by pattern recognition. From the type of the input, handwriting recognition could be grouped as two different kinds, online and offline. The online handwriting recognition uses consoles or devices that enable users to write directly on the device and have the handwriting converted into the digital words. On the other hand, the input of offline handwriting recognition is usually documents that has been written before. The process of converting offline handwriting is usually much harder than the online one, since segmenting the offline handwriting is more difficult, especially if the handwriting is the cursive one. The technology of handwriting recognition has been developed since early 90s, when the hardware makers such as NCR, IBM, and EO tried to make tablet computers that run on Pinpoint operating system developed by Go Corp. Also, in the early 90s, two companies called Paragraph International based in Russia and Lexicus founded by two Stanford University students make a system that could understand a cursive handwriting. In 1993, Apple released Newton, which is the first personal digital assistant or PDA with handwriting recognition. This PDA used Paragraph Calligrapher system from the Paragraph International, while Lexicus was acquired by Motorola. Where there will be no advanced technology of handwriting recognition without the help of academic researchers. Handwriting recognition has numbers of conferences where researchers publish their findings on this technology. The biggest one, called the International Conference on Frontiers in Handwriting Recognition, which began with the International Workshop on Frontiers in Handwriting Recognition in 1990, until the latest one that will be held in October 2016. With the advanced growth of tablet PC, the handwriting recognition technology also became easy and widely used. Some software has been developed for use in tablet PC, such as Google Handwriting Input and WritePad, or other software like MyScript, which not only detect words from our handwriting, but also mathematical equation and music notes. For the offline one, there are also several OCR software that could process the handwriting via image format into the digital form of it. Since the handwriting recognition proven to be smart enough to detect cursive handwriting or pattern from our handwriting, it could potentially be used and collaborate with other emerging technologies. For example, handwriting can also be part of biometric verification system, as one believes that handwriting is unique. The system also not only verify how a person shaped each letter, it also examines the pressure, the speed, and the rhythm of handwriting. Handwriting recognition can also be deployed in small wearable things such as smartwatch. Since it is difficult to type in the smartwatch, handwriting recognition can detect each letter we write on the screen. For the position of hype cycle, handwriting recognition is on the track of disillusionment in the year of 1995, which means the implementation is failed to deliver the technology. But in the next 10 years, this technology has moved into the slope of enlightenment. That means the enterprises start to understand how this technology can bring benefit, and concepts become widely used. In the recent Gartner hype cycle, there is no handwriting recognition anymore. This could mean that the technology is mature enough and cannot be categorized as the emerging technologies anymore, or the technology has transformed and adapted into other emerging technologies. That's all for me. Thank you.